do another review on the Mega 7. Yesterday was busy, so I couldn't work on it. So let's do a review on the Mega 7. We'll start with Apple. So last time we were here at 213, right? And I told you it most likely gonna bounce up short-term buy at around 220, and today it's just hit 220. It was a good bounce. Now the next level I'm looking at is about 227. 227. Okay, so that is the next level. However, it's very important for it to stay above this green line, because right now it is the major resistance. So 227 is the next target for Apple. So short term, I would say they're gonna hit this, but there's also a big chance it might not clear this major resistance at 220, and it's gonna roll over down to probably 206, 205. Okay, so I'm thinking it's already hit the target. Most likely we're going to see a pullback this week. Otherwise, they're going to hit 227 real soon, and then they're going to come back and test 220. So either it's going to go here, go down here, pull back, or go up again, hit 227, 228, then come back down to 20 to retest the resistance, or by then it's going to be the support. All right, next going to be Amazon. So Amazon, let me see, last time we were at 197, and I say it's gonna bounce up to like 204, 204.50. So it dipped, retest on a Monday, right, and then bounce, and today it did a big bounce with 3.6% to 203.26. So saying this is the first day it clear the resistance, you need to stay at least a couple days above this blue line. So what's the next level? Would be 212. So I'm gonna put so 212.78 or 213. So most likely it will come up like this. That's most likely, but there's also a chance of it come back down to test 297 before bouncing back up. All right, so that is a short-term direction for Amazon. Next going to be Meta. So Meta, Friday close was 609, 608, 609. It came down, test this major support, and then bounce off. The short term, I say, was going to be at 629 as the next target, because you can see it touches the other points right here, right? So when there's a lot of point touches one line, it's a good probability that's where it's gonna go next. So 632 is the next target for Meta. So it's a short-term buy. So Apple short-term buy. No. Apple right now is a hold, because I'm not sure which direction they're gonna go. Most likely it might pull back after today, back down to test 211. Okay, so let's color code it. So Apple is a hold, Amazon is a buy, Meta is a buy. Alright, so next is Tesla. Alright, so Tesla, I say that the next time it will test to come back would be about 275, 276. And guess what? It hit today. It was a little bit quicker than I anticipated. It was at 249 on Friday at close, dipped down on Tuesday, and then did a nice pullback. Now it's gonna test this. It need to close above 276 for at least a couple of days. And the next level would be right here at 327. But 327 will be the next. Right now, I would say Tesla. I do a pullback, but with the momentum and a lot of short term, maybe I would say it's a buy. It's short term will be buy to test at least 306, 304, 303, 304. Okay, but the next target is 326. But it can do a pullback, see it hitting my target so quickly. So I would say still a short-term buy, and if it hit 300, it's a good time to exit. Okay, so Microsoft, I say it was a hold. Friday it was here, so I say okay, most likely it'll go down here, and then it will bounce. But it did not even go down that low, but it's already bounced up. Now it bounced above the blue line. Let's change it to orange. right now it will most likely have to stay up, or they're gonna go back and test this again. I say still a hold, and the next target might be 401. Okay, so 401, but it's still a hold. Google, it was close as 167. I say it's a short-term buy because of the trend support. So it dipped down below, came back up the next day, stay and bounce. So I was half right. It didn't close at much more than 167, so I still think it's gonna go up here at 177 is the next target, so it's still a short-term buy. All right, next will be, let me see, so here, boom, here, boom. This is a pullback, but I don't think it's gonna be likely. Likely it will bounce to 177, 178. NVDA, I say it's a buy. Friday. Okay, so Friday was 121. It pulled back, came back up, and is about the same level. So at least it did a pullback and then going back up. So let's see where I'm gonna go. And then right, so okay, there's still a chance I'm gonna go back up to here. That's 128. And then after that, it will test 105 next. So NVDA is still a short-term buy. All right, so there you have it. Apple is a hold after a good pullback. Amazon is a buy. Meta is a short-term buy. Tesla, I say, is a hold. Microsoft is still a hold. Google is a buy. NVIDIA is a buy. So we got Apple, Microsoft, Microsoft, Tesla. Those are the rest short-term buy. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Please hit a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you like my analysis or you have something different, let me know. Have a good one. Bye.